Alright, in problem number 4, continuing on, if we have f of x equals the square root of 2x minus 3, whenever you're trying to do the domain of a square root, it has to be bigger than 0. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 2x is greater than 3. Divide by 2. X is greater than 3 halves. For part B, they give us a fraction. So we're going to say that the bottom of the fraction can't be equal to 0. Add 9. X squared cannot be equal to 9. And when I square root both sides, I remember that when you square root both sides, you can't have x be plus or minus, so we got plus or minus 3. Alright, in this problem we're asked to find the 0. So the 0 is what I set for y. Add 7 to both sides. 7 equals 2x. Divide by 2. And x equals 7 halves is my 0. So all we need to do for finding zeros is pretend that y is equal to 0 and see what happens. Alright, 6a says we got a slope and we got a y-intercept, so we can just plug these right into y equals mx plus b. Y equals 2x minus 8. Part B, they give us the slope and then they give us a point. So we got y equals mx plus b. So y equals 3x plus b. In order to find b, we're going to plug in our equation. So negative 6 equals 3 times 1 plus b. Negative 6 equals 3 plus b. Subtract 3 on both sides. Negative 9 equals b. Put this back in here. And y equals 3x minus 9. Okay, and finally we want to find out the equation that goes through these 2 points. So first we find the slope. 8 minus 4 over 6 minus 3 gives me a slope of 4/3. So y equals 4/3 x plus b. I'm going to plug in either one of the points, so I'm going to do 4 equals 4/3 times 3 plus b. So 4 equals 4 plus b. Subtract 4, and 0 equals b. So I wind up with y equals 4/3 x plus 0, but I'm just going to leave it as 4/3 x, and I'm finished. And that was it for the reviews. Any questions, make sure you ask me in class or email.